Hello everyone. The mission for today is to investigate an author who in 2013 published a book called The Mad World of Climatism. His name is Steve Goreham, and this is his profile from 1997 until now. He describes himself as a speaker, an author, and a researcher on environmental issues. He published his book using the fund from the Heartland Institute. The Mad World of Climatism is controversial, filled with doubtful data and questionable conclusions. As an example, let's investigate Mr. Goreham's claim that renewable energy is an illusory solution because it provides only a pittance of energy. His supporting data show that wind power contributed less than 1% of the world's energy by the end of 2010. Let's take a look at this. In Chapter 2, titled Renewable Energy, the Illusory Solution, Goreham concludes that renewables provide only a pittance of energy, with the supporting data of wind power provided less than 1% of the world's energy in 2010. When comparing wind powers to the world's total energy, Steve Goreham makes it look less promising, since energy can be found in many forms like chemical, heat, or light, while wind contributes mostly to electricity production. Following the footnote, there's a link from the International Energy Agency, which is listed by the author as a source for his data. However, when trying to access the website, I got this message: web page is not available. Data without source of information cannot be valid. So, to investigate Mr. Goreham's conclusion about renewable energy, I started my own research to answer the question, how much power can be generated from the wind? According to the 2011 report from the IPCC, by the end of 2009, wind power already generated roughly 1.8%, and it could reach over 20% by 2050. A year later, 2010, wind power provided 2.5% of the world's electricity consumption. So, as we can see, Steve Goreham's data and conclusion in his book are misleading. Renewables actually provide much more energy than what he would have us believe. So what is the real potential of wind energy? In 2012, wind power comprised 3% of total US electricity production, enough for 12 million families, or the number of families in California, or 4 times of Virginia. If the barriers of the wind industry were removed, by 2020, wind energy could provide enough electricity for at least 25 million families in the US. Globally, wind energy is providing 3.5% of the total electricity demand on Earth. Let's take a look at this simple calculation. As you can see, right at this moment, 200 million people are using power from the wind, and this number is growing day by day. Renewable energy might not be the ultimate solution, but it is not at all by any means an illusion.